today we're at the Lake Odessa Train Depot. It's not in service anymore, but it's a cool monument here in Lake Odessa. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour of this building, and yeah, we're at the Lake Odessa Train Depot. So here it is. It's actually a Russian-style depot as well. A little tower. It's just a nice little monument. The tracks are so used or over in direction pointing. The caboose will explore that later. Just go around and explore this depot. Steps leading up. So this is open on Sundays. I think you can actually go in there, explore it. Some books in there. I think it's still in use. I mean, some newer stuff. So there's actually a building in there. I mean, there's actually a museum in there. Let's go peek here. Can't actually go inside, unfortunately. Depot Day last Saturday in July. Don't know what that means. I'll have to check it out. Going on the side here, there's a building over there. I'm not sure what that is. I'm looking for a depot. So just the back of the depot. Got a grill. I don't know what those are for. So back entrance. Go over here. Come around the other side, back to where the front is. Get a little old wagon here. Also, they also got an old train signal here. I don't think it works. An old rail crossing, Lake Odessa, Michigan. DL&N Depot. Alright, that's depot. It's by the station. Inside would be like where you get your tickets and all that. This is by where you stand aboard the trains. Trains if I came through. It's here. You even got a bell here. Or, I don't know if it's a bell. An old track switch. I'm not sure what this is. Can't move it. USW and Ruth. So, let's go check out the caboose over here. It's a Grand Trunk and Western. Yeah, it's a caboose. It's old. It's very old. Metal's rusting quite a bit. We got the old handbrake. You can still use it. Don't know if it works. I'll peek inside. Come around the other side. Here. Crossing. It's set across at new directions are found under crossing. It's at Lake Odessa Museum, Sundays at 10 a.m. Interesting. Old piece of track here. And look up where these things are big. I mean, I can't even move this. This might have blocked us, so you can't move it. But yeah, it's the Lake Odessa Train Depot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And see you next time.
Oh, we're gonna turn left, but we realized it was closed.